How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Lenovo monitor power saving mode. So if your Lenovo monitor is on power saving mode, this only means one thing, is that it's not receiving any video input at all. So first things first, if you're using something like a graphics card, you want to go ahead and get it updated, you could head over to something like NVIDIA drivers right here. Click on the find button after looking for the exact graphics card that you were using. If you're using something like NVIDIA, you could head over to the AMD drivers update, and from there just go ahead and make sure that you have updated your drivers. Right after, speaking of video inputs, we want to go ahead and check the cables and connections and input settings. Now, you want to go ahead and reset all of the cables, unplug and firmly plug in your HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cables at both ends. And you want to go ahead and see if your match inputs. So you want to press on the physical button. Basically, it's going to be something like this one. So you want to head over to the OSD controls. This is only an example once again, but all of the monitors have this where you can navigate through the input sources and just make sure that the plug that you were using matches with the input source enabled on the monitor itself. And simply from there, you also want to go ahead and check for something like battery modes for your Windows computer right here. So you could simply search for the power, sleep, and battery setting and just make sure that the power saving is turned off. So in my case, I have it right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.